Attention Panthers of Heritage High School. WPNN is excited to be back for another amazing video. However, WPNN currently has a playback issue for this week's special programming. We are doing our best to fix this issue. So, yes, we understand that visual things are not synced and we do apologize. Regardless, we hope you enjoyed this week's video. Now, and finally, let's get on with this very special programming. Go Big Blue!
Bring it back.
Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Nat.
And my name is Addison.
Panthers. Coming up, we have our amazing BSU's Travel Through the Decades Fashion and Talent Show, a Black History celebration. We are excited about this show that will be held in the auditorium on February 27th.
Definitely. At this event, there will be talents such as singing, dancing, instrument playing, and acting.
Not only that, but we also cannot forget about the fashion part of this event. All the dresses, colorful and vibrant clothing, and don't get me started on all of the wonderful types of outfits everyone will have on.
Pre-sale tickets will be $10 or $15 at the door, so save some money and get your tickets now for the Friday, February 27th from 6 to 8 p.m.
Celebrating Black History Month will begin Monday with BSU's Spirit Week. View the upcoming daily dress-up themes.
Monday is Hip Hop Throwback, Tuesday is Pan-African Colors, Wednesday is Quarter Zip, Thursday is Throw a Fit, Thursday and Friday is HBCU Day. Remember, the Fashion and Talent Show will be at 6 p.m.
Now, we have a shout out to Zoe Richmond for her celebrated artwork, The Mirror Between Worlds, Who I Am Elsewhere, winning the People's Choice Award during the BWS Splash 2026 art show.
Her painting had the most votes out of all in this show. Also, enjoy other students that participated and were present during the award ceremony.
The following congratulations is a delayed one, but we want to recognize the following students who passed their CTE certification exams in the Game and Simulation program.
Students earning Unity certified users. Artists are Lily Beckett, Isabel Dibling, Breeden Hare, Michael Jones, Nicholas Kelsey, Landon Keys, Thanawat Maizoa, Xander Mendez, Brandon Parsons, Damien Breckenberger, Addison Stallings, Danny Zane.
Students earning Unity certified user. Artists are Jaden Daniel and Anton Thomas.
Panthers, a fantastic job for semester 1 grades.
We had a total of 385 students for AB honor, 112 students earning straight A's, seniors in the lead for the best overall A and B honor roll.
Now, in senior news, senior quotes have been approved by Mr. Link and they must be in by Friday, February 27th. Please use the Google link located right here.
The seniors
Superlatives.
will be available for voting starting on Monday. Seniors
Superlatives.
will give you a chance to acknowledge your fellow classmates for their unique traits that make them them. From voting topics such as best dress, best bromance, to class clown, you will get to vote which senior fits what section best. For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out the FAFSA for free money. To start this process, both the student and the parent must create their own FSA ID, and it must be before you can start the FAFSA application.
For anybody who needs help with the process, please contact Ms. Jameer.
Seniors, remember senior movie night is tonight. See you here. That's all the news we have for this week.
Remember to lock in because Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!